Hey guys, Lachlan from Swim Strong, and today I'm coming straight to the chase and getting right into what you're here for. So, if you clicked on this video, I'm going to assume that you fall into one of two categories. One, you're an experienced swimmer looking to enhance your technique, or two, you're a beginner looking to understand and improve the fundamentals of your swimming. So, regardless of which you fall into, this video is perfect for you.
In my years as a swimming coach, I've noticed certain recurring issues that my swimmers face in their freestyle. That's why I've carefully selected what I believe are the top 3 essential drills to help you make immediate improvements. These drills have been proven to effectively address common problem areas that I'll shortly explain, and with consistent practice, you'll see significant progress in no time. One of the most common problems I see in freestyle is a lack of length and rotation in the stroke. Having a short stroke restricts the amount of water you're able to pull back, and by extending your stroke, you're able to glide more and be more efficient in the water. Start by positioning one arm in front of you as you're about to breathe while swimming with the other. As you initiate your stroke, make sure to extend your swimming arm as far forward as possible, breaking the surface of the water with a smooth entry. This full extension optimizes your reach, allowing you to maximize the distance covered with each stroke. Make sure to engage your core by rotating your torso forward. This will help you stretch out even further. Also aim to breathe every 2 arms. This drill will ensure you are lengthening your stroke as much as possible, as well as developing the catch. Many swimmers struggle with maintaining a high elbow recovery, which can negatively affect their efficiency in the water. Having high elbows eliminates any unnecessary side movement of the arms, saving precious time and energy by making each stroke more efficient. Swim freestyle as you normally would, breathing with your preferred pattern. Keep your fingertips slightly below the surface of the water and ensure your elbow points up towards the sky or ceiling on each stroke. Also make sure to lengthen your stroke as much as possible. Correct execution of this drill will reinforce the concept of having high elbows and good recovery. Many swimmers tend to rush and overlook the significance of gliding in their freestyle. Gliding plays a vital role in maximizing efficiency and effectiveness in the water. The fewer strokes you need to complete a lap, the more efficient your technique becomes. Gliding allows you to take advantage of the natural propulsion generated by each stroke and minimizes the energy expended during the recovery phase. Swim your freestyle as you normally would, breathing in your preferred pattern. Keep one hand held in front of you at all times. As you complete a stroke and both hands touch, the next stroke may begin. Make sure an arm is always up, especially when breathing. Make sure to pay full attention when extending your arm. This will promote a more streamlined position in the water. This will also help you glide. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, the path to success lies in consistency and repetition. The more you dedicate yourself to practicing these drills, the faster you will see improvements in your freestyle. If you're a beginner, using fins can be a helpful aid by providing a stronger kick, allowing you to practice more efficiently. Keep up the hard work. I look forward to seeing your progress in the pool. But as always, have fun, swim strong.